Hi guys, I'm Philip. So I'm gonna talk about how to extend the tabletop. Okay, so just click on the tabletop, right click, then go to this one, countertop editing. You see here got a blue line, then you point on it, become red color. Okay, just point on it, become red color. Okay, then you move it, this one. So you can extend your tabletop as you want. Okay, click on it, you can extend. I'll change the number. Maybe I put 2400, enter. Okay, then this one, if you want to you also can click on the line here, then add midpoint. As I click on the line here, okay, add a midpoint. So this midpoint will help you to separate it also. Okay, let's say here I put here, then this one I'm click on here, line, then I extend it. Okay, this one never mind, click generate. Okay, so you got L-shaped tabletop. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.